In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add content to a page in DNN9. This is our recently created page, Yvonne. To add content to the page, we need to be on the page itself. The page, as we can see, is completely empty without any content. To add content, we need to select our persona bar on the left and select the edit option in the bottom left corner. In edit mode, we can see the pane layout and a text HTML module, which DNN adds into a newly created page by default. To start adding content, you can use the default module. You can see 3 icons or buttons associated with the module, and if you hover over the icons, you will display the additional administration functions. The one we want to use is the Edit. Hover over the pencil icon to reveal the Edit Content option and click. This now opens up the WYSIWYG editor with the default Add Content text. We're going to delete this text and paste in some content we've already prepared. You will see this from the notepad, which does not contain any code or styling. Once we press the Save button, the page refreshes to display our newly added content. The content, however, does not have an appropriate title. It still displays the default text HTML, so we're going to change this by using the cog icon and select Settings. The admin window for the page settings appears, and if you're on the first tab, Module Settings, you can change the module title in the Basic Settings section here and press Update. In order to see how our page is taking shape, press the Close button in the bottom right hand corner of the page to exit the edit mode, and we can see the content in place displaying styles from the website theme. We now want to bring the page to life by adding some imagery. To do this, we need to go back into edit mode, so click the edit icon in the bottom left corner of the persona bar. In edit mode, we can see our existing edited module, and to complement this, we want to add new modules. To do this, look at the bar in the bottom of the page and look at the cube icon, which, if you hover over, reveals the alt tag of Add Module. Clicking the icon opens up a window showing all the available modules on the DNN9 website. The type of module we want to add is the standard HTML module. You can see that the cursor is already in the search bar at the top, so if we start to type in HT, you will see the HTML module comes up. By clicking on the module, it then appears on our page in a hover state, where you can now drag it to any of the panes on your page. You can see that they are highlighted as you hover the module over them. By letting go of the module, DNN9 drops it into your selected pane. We're going to add another module using the same method, and as the last module we requested was the HTML module via our HT search, the system remembers the setting. So we select the module and drag it into another pane on our web page. You may have noticed that the pane layout is displaying on the screen despite the fact that we have not gone into layout mode, which was available in previous versions of DNN. DNN9 provides this functionality in edit mode, a welcome new development. Now we have our modules in place, we're going to add some content, some images. And to do that, hover over the pencil icon and select Edit Content in the module that you want to add content to. As before, this opens up your WYSIWYG editor with the default Add Content. Again, we're going to delete this text and this time add an image. To do this, look for the picture icon. It's a mountain with the sun behind it, which with the tooltip shows the icon is for image. Click the button to display the Image Properties window. Now if you've already added images to your site and want to use one of those, click on the Browse Server button to select the image from one already uploaded. For this demonstration, we're going to upload a new image. To do this, click on Upload tab and click Browse, which allows us to browse our own PC to find the image we want to upload. Click on it and press Send it to the server. We can see the image has come through and has loaded up into our Image Properties window. Give the image an alternative text tag or alt tag and click OK. This loads the image into the WYSIWYG editor, and we then click the Save button. We can now see the image appearing on our page. We now need to give this module a title, so again, hover over the cog icon and press Settings. Follow the same process as before and change the module title to the one you want to display, and press Update. We're going to do the same for the second HTML module we added a little earlier, but this time faster. Press the Close button to see how our page is taking shape. And finally, log out to reveal our completed page.